In this video I will show you two easy ways to delete MySQL database in phpMyAdmin. Those two methods includes GUI and SQL command. So let's look each of them. Let's look first at GUI method. First of all, open XAMPP control panel and start Apache in MySQL service. Then open browser and then type localhost and press enter button. Select phpMyAdmin at top navigation. Then click on home if you are in any other page. Next click on database tab. In the table you will get the list of database. If you want to delete particular database, then check in the checkbox next to database. You can select multiple database as well. After that, click on drop button. In the pop-up, click on drop button to remove those database you have checked in. You can see those selected database has gone from the list below. Now let's look SQL command method. For this, click on SQL next to database tab. Here type drop command as shown here. Drop database and then database name. Here I want to delete test1db, so I will type as below. Then click on go button to delete the test1db database. Now go to database and you will find database has been deleted successfully. If you want to delete multiple database, then you can do as below and then click on go button to delete multiple database. Note that replace db1 and db2 with your database name. In this way we can delete database in phpMyAdmin. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.